Off the main road of Paradera is a very meaningful stop for you to grab your coffee in the morning on the island.
Coffee!
These are not just ordinary baristas. They are young, aspiring entrepreneurs learning the ropes of what it means to operate and sustain a small business. Welcome to Youthhouse Montessori's Tiny Spoon Coffee Stop. You will be handed a menu and an order taker will take your order.
Hot or cold?
The young baristas then get to work. Coffees are fresh and made with care, prices are reasonable, and the best part is that you do not need to get out of your car. The young workers are happy to take your order from your car and bring your drinks to you. They do everything from setup to administration once the business closes. The girls here are between the ages of 10 to 14. Aside from brewing delicious coffee, they are learning a tremendous amount.
What are you making now?
A cold caramel macchiato.
I've learned to work in a team together and communicate better.
I like interacting with the customers, making the coffee itself, and I enjoy doing what I'm doing as a barista, and I love the atmosphere and smell around the job.
I love that we work together and we make the coffee for the people.
Tell me again the most challenging part about owning a business.
Communicating with each other and make sure everything goes well.
And what is the best part about owning a business?
To get the real life experience for the future.
What have you find challenging about working?
Mostly counting the money when I have to give them back the change.
As part of the Montessori curriculum, the hands-on approach is very important. All the earnings from the coffees at Tiny Spoon go right back to the students. So it is imperative that you support and stop by.
Going back to the Montessori philosophy, we prepare the students as a whole and not only academically. We do believe they need to know much more than academically inside the classroom. So whenever they're big, they can build their own business. They can work everywhere they want because they have the knowledge of.
Miss, your coffee's ready.
This is not a temporary project. During the school year, the students rotate in alternate roles, and you can find them throughout the school year on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. at Paradera 177A. Keep in mind, Tiny Spoon follows the school calendar, so it is closed during all major holidays and takes summers off, but remains in operation for the rest of the regular school calendar year. They need your help to keep going.
This is our baby business that we need to keep blooming, and hopefully we have it for a lot of years.
The young barista's skills are advancing. You can expect to order some pretty fancy caffeinated beverages here.
We do have caramel macchiato, we have hot and cold beverages. We also have matcha, students trained how to do matcha.
I want to encourage you to stop by for a meaningful cup of coffee in the morning on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays from 8 to 10:30 a.m. You can support Tiny Spoon, where our young local students are learning the true experience of being a small business owner and all the responsibilities that come with it. Remember, they are students after all, so they follow the school calendar and are off for Christmas and other major Aruba holidays. But otherwise, you can find them here off the main road of Paradera at Paradera 177A.
3, 5,
2, 1.
Come to Tiny Spoon at Youthhouse Montessori.